presenting to you a course that will cover the modern educational technologies that will help you remain relevant. How do we use AI to fundamentally improve how a teacher should be able to interact with the learners?
A STEM kit is basically a kit that allows you to teach almost all these acronyms that are in there. If you are teaching about a hat as an example, a child can put on these virtual reality goggles and be able to actually see what exactly is happening in a hat, and they can be able to see the arteries and all those chambers of the hat. People who are curious, they always find better ways of doing things. What is innovation? Innovation is taking paper and finding another use of paper other than just writing. Virtual labs are laboratories that are in virtual space, such as a computer. Having to understand knowledge like this, it will set you apart. It will definitely set you apart.